The traditional way of inspecting welds involves human eyes on welds. Skilled inspectors meticulously examine each weld. Welding is a vital process in many industries, from construction to manufacturing. It joins metal parts together strongly, ensuring the integrity and durability of structures. To make sure these welds are safe and strong, we inspect them rigorously. Traditionally, trained inspectors examine welds visually, using their experience and tools. They look for defects like cracks, pores, and other imperfections that could compromise the weld. This method relies heavily on human expertise and keen observation skills. Inspectors need years of experience to spot subtle flaws that might not be immediately visible. Even then, some defects might be missed, as human eyes can only catch so much. This can lead to safety risks in structures like bridges and buildings, where the integrity of welds is crucial. AI steps in, a new vision for inspection. In the past, weld inspections were done manually, relying heavily on the skill and experience of human inspectors. This process, while effective, was time-consuming and prone to human error. Now artificial intelligence is transforming how we inspect welds. By integrating AI into the inspection process, we can achieve a level of precision and efficiency that was previously unattainable. AI systems can analyze images of welds faster and more accurately than humans. This not only speeds up the inspection process, but also ensures a higher level of quality control. Here's how it works. Cameras capture high-resolution images of the welds. These cameras are designed to pick up even the finest details, ensuring that no potential defect goes unnoticed. These images are then fed into an AI system. The AI processes these images, comparing them against a vast database of weld images to identify any anomalies. The AI has been trained on a massive data set of weld images, both good and bad. This extensive training allows the AI to differentiate between acceptable welds and those that may have defects. This training allows the AI to recognize patterns and identify even the smallest defects. It uses advanced algorithms to detect inconsistencies that might be invisible to the naked eye. It can spot things the human eye might miss. This revolutionary approach not only enhances the accuracy of inspections but also significantly reduces the time required, making the entire process more efficient and reliable.
Using AI in welding inspection offers significant advantages. First, AI is incredibly accurate. It can detect even tiny flaws that humans might overlook. This leads to safer and more reliable welded structures.
Second, AI is fast. It can inspect welds much quicker than humans, speeding up the whole process. This increases productivity and reduces costs. Finally, AI reduces the reliance on human expertise. While experienced inspectors are still valuable, AI can assist less experienced personnel in